Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like forever since I recorded anything or updated you guys. So it's gonna be kind of like a life update and like what's going on because I kind of just okay, bye. But anyways, so I finally graduated college. Oh, praise the Lord, because I was quite a journey. I'm so glad I'm done with it. So this is part of like the life update. I graduated college, so I don't have that stress or burden anymore of, oh, school, I can't stay up late or I can't do any videos, because that was the main reason why I couldn't do videos, was because I was going to school, I was doing church, and I was doing work. I was working. So right now that I don't have to be doing homework or worried about school, I have I guess you could say some extra time. I guess what I would be doing instead would be videos. I'm gonna do my best to try to do more videos, just because till this day I still get messages in my Instagram like, hey, when are you coming back? Hey, can you do a video of this or that? And I love making videos, just like the whole timing thing. Also today I'm gonna, aside from the life update, this quick life update, which pretty much was I graduated college and that's it. That's all I want to say. I graduated college and I have a bit more time now. I wanted to do this really quick hair tutorial. This is going to be a super short video. A quick hair tutorial that was requested on my YouTube channel, which I have done previously in a different video, which I will link down below. But it involved 3 different hairstyles with a chopstick. And a lot of people really responded to that video. A lot of people actually enjoyed the long hair and the easiness, the what is it called, convenience of it, I guess you could say. But I'm gonna do one of the buns there. It's the same thing, it's just using bobby pins. Somebody requested for me to do it that way because I had put it up without a chopstick. Wait, how do you do that? So I'll be doing that next. So to get right in, right now I just have my hair down. I can do a ponytail whenever I have time, I guess. I'll use a ponytail, a hair tie, and then I'll tie my hair up here and then do it. But because there's no time, I mean, to be honest, I'm just lazy. I do not want to use a hair tie because that hurts my head. It gets my head all sore. So you're just gonna grab all of your hair. And you can determine where you want it, how high you want it. I've done buns right here, and I've done buns really low and the middle. I try to avoid the middle because for some reason that's a very sensitive area of my head, so I try to avoid those. But once again, it's just a regular one, knot, hand here, you twist. It's just a regular knot, and your hand, you're gonna pull this strand through. Pull it out. This excess hair, you're gonna twist it around the bun. Around. And you get up here, and then you see these 2 little flaps right here. You kind of just pull them out to they're gonna be the ones you're gonna pin down. And these baby hairs you could just fix. And you can choose what bobby pins to use. I've mentioned these ones before. They're the bigger ones. They're a bit bigger, and these work really good. You could get these at your local Target. Or even the little ones. The little ones work for my hair. I guess it just depends on your hair. If you have curly hair, wavy hair, whatever. I have straight hair, so both of these work, but I prefer the big ones. But I mean, when I don't find the big ones, I'll use the little ones. And then you just pin it down like so. And then typically, my 2 bobby pins can hold down my hair for the whole entire day. But if I'm gonna do movement and stuff going around, then I'll probably add a couple more. I'll probably add one right in the middle, like this. Tuck it in like that. It's a pretty high bun, huh? And then I'll probably do the back just to kind of hold it. And then you see these baby hairs in the back? They're just flying down here. I learned a trick, I can't remember from who, or I saw it on somebody or something. You grab all of the baby hairs, so you bring them down, and then you grab them all together, and then you twist it in, you twist it in, you twist them in, and then you tuck the baby hairs and then you pin them going inward, like that. I really like doing that because two things. First of all, it really tucks in the baby hairs, and I promise you, like, those little hairs won't come back down. And second, you pretty much hide the bobby pins because you like, it's like a, I don't even know how to explain it. Kind of like when you're, I don't want to say when you're sewing, but you're like tucking in the bobby pin. So you grab it, bobby pins like this, you grab some hair and then you tuck it in. So you hide the bobby pin and you hide the hair. And then for these little ones, I usually just bring them down or like go put them behind my ear, whatever it may be. And then I kind of just look at my bun, see if it needs more volume. And I've mentioned this in my last video, like, oh, if one side is higher than the other one, just pull it up. Sometimes I'll even close the circle and pin it, but not today. And that's it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any requests of any kind of hair tutorials or anything in general, feel free to comment down below. Or if you want to send me a message, go ahead and send me a message. I know I'm going to try to do the ones that have been requested so far. So I'll try to do those, but feel free to leave any requests and I'll make sure to try to like do those. But anyways, until next time.